Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic is derivation of kinematic equations by using graphical method. In the previous video, two types of methods discussed. So now discuss graphical method. So let us take the time t is equal to 0. Body moves with uniform the initial velocity u. After the time t is equal to t second has final velocity v, and time t is equal to t, it covers a distance s. So time is x-axis, velocity is y-axis. Okay, in this graphical method, and time t is equal to t seconds, it covers a distance s is the tan theta is equal to, this is the theta, tan theta is equal to opposite side CD by AC. Okay, tan theta is nothing but acceleration. The body is changing with velocity with respect to time taken, that is equal to acceleration. Acceleration is equal to CD by AC. Okay, AC or OB, these two time taken. Cross multiplication, AT is equal to CD. Okay, in this figure, OB is equal to AC is equal to time taken. The BC is equal to OA is equal to initial velocity u, and BD is equal to V. Okay, next to CD calculated, CD is equal to BD minus BC, that is equal to V minus U. Okay, CD value V minus U substituted in the place of CD. AT is equal to V minus U, then V is equal to U plus AT. This is first equation. Very simple equation, this using a graphical method, very simple. Next to second equation. The time t is equal to 0. Body moves with initial velocity after time t is equal to t seconds has it becomes a final velocity v, and time t is equal to t second, it covers a distance s. Okay, according to velocity time graph, is equal to displacement, then displacement is equal to triangle ACD, triangle ACD plus rectangle OABC, OABC. Okay, in this figure OA is equal to BC is equal to initial velocity u and BD is equal to final velocity v. OB and AC, OB is equal to OC. Okay, OB is equal to AC is equal to T. Next to BD is equal to V, final velocity. Next to CD calculation, CD is equal to BD minus BC, that is equal to V minus U. Okay, triangle ACD, area of triangle formula half into base AC into height CD plus OABC. This is a rectangle, is a rectangular shape, area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length is OA, so OB length into breadth OA. S is equal to half into AC is equal to T into CD. CD is the V minus U plus OB time taken into OA U. Okay, S is equal to half into T into V minus U. According to kinematic first equation, V minus U is equal to AT. V minus U is equal to AT, half into T into AT plus UT. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is the kinematics second equation. So very important equation, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay, next to derive third equation, kinematics third equation. The same graph. So let us consider time t is equal to 0 seconds. Body moves with uniform velocity u. After time t is equal to, body becomes with final velocity v, and time t is equal to t seconds. It covers a distance s, and area under velocity time graph is displacement. Area under velocity time graph gives displacement. Then S is equal to triangle ACD plus rectangle OABC. This is rectangle. Okay, in this figure, OA is equal to BC is equal to initial velocity u. OB is equal to AC. OB is equal to AC is equal to T, and BD is equal to final velocity. Then find out CD. CD is equal to BD minus BC. that is equal to v minus u. Okay, the displacement is equal to the total area, this total area, triangle ACD half into base AC into height CD plus OABC rectangle, area of rectangle formula, length into breadth, length is OB, OB into OA. S is equal to half into AC value T into V minus U plus OB T into OA, that is U. Okay, according to kinematic first equation, this is the first equation. E is equal to U plus AT, V minus U is equal to AT, then time T is equal to V minus U by A. Okay, T value V minus U by A, that value substituted in the place of T. S is equal to half into V minus U by A into V minus U plus V minus U by A into U. Okay, S is equal to V minus U whole square, V minus U into V minus U whole square plus LCM 2A is only A, so 2 cross multiplication, 2 into V minus U into U by 2A, then S is equal to, okay, A minus B whole square formula, A square minus B square plus 2AB, the same that V square U square plus 2VU plus 2V into U, 2VU, okay, sorry, A square, A minus B whole square formula, A square plus B square minus 2AB minus 2U square by 2A. Okay, minus 2VU plus 2VU cancel, V square plus U square minus 2U square minus U square. S is equal to V square minus U square by 2A. Okay, cross multiplication, 2AS is equal to V square minus U square, then V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. This is the third equation. This is the first problem. In this problem, the position of a particle as a function of time t is given by x of t is equal to at plus bt square minus ct cube, where a, b and c are constant. When the particle attains zero acceleration, then its velocity is. Find out velocity. First write the position equation x of t is equal to at plus bt square minus ct cube. Okay, in this derivation applied, derivation, then velocity of v is equal to d by dt of at plus bt square minus ct cube. Okay, their derivation applied, a plus 2bt minus 3ct square. Next applied acceleration, the acceleration a is equal to dv by dt, acceleration A is equal to dv by dt, then d by dt of velocity A plus 2bt minus 3ct square. Okay, d by dt of A is 0 plus 2b minus 6ct. Okay, in this acceleration 2b minus 6ct is equal to 0 acceleration. This totally 0. 6ct is equal to 2b, 2 ones, 2 threes. The t is equal to b by 3c. Time t is equal to b by 3c. The t value substitute in the place of velocity equation. A plus 2b into b by 3c minus 3c b by 3c into b by 3c whole square. Okay, A plus 2b square by 3c. Okay, 3c 1 3c 3c cancel, remaining b into b square by 3c. Therefore velocity v is equal to a plus b square by 3c. This is the problem. Very simple problem. This problem asking the JEE Mains 2019 edition. This problem is very important. Okay, in this second problem, the displacement time graph of two moving particle make an angle of 30 degree and 45 degree with the x-axis. The ratio of their velocities is. In this problem, the ratio of these two velocities find out. Very simple problem. Okay, in this case, xt graph, the displacement time graph is in a straight line. The slope of this line gives the velocity of a particle. Okay, the slope tan theta. Okay, the slope is tan theta. Okay, the theta is the angle which makes the tangential to the horizontal in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. X and t. This is A and this is B. So anti-clockwise 45 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay, the velocities of VA, VB, VA is equal to tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. VB is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. The ratio, find out ratio. VA is to VB is equal to 1 by root 3 is to 1. Okay, cross multiplication. That value 1 is to root 3. This is the very important and very simple problem. Okay, in this one, the body is moving, the angle is making anti-clockwise direction, not clockwise, anti-clockwise in the position time graph. Okay, Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.